A quick one, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install programs on your Windows computer. If you have a program on your computer that you want to install, or you no longer want to keep the program to keep your Windows computer running smoothly, then you need to uninstall the program. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily uninstall an unwanted program or software on your Windows 10 computer. Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Right. And in this video, you learn how you can easily uninstall a program you no longer want to keep on your Windows computer from your Windows 10. So the first you want to do is you want to click on the Windows icon at the bottom left, and then you want to search for control panel, or click on the search button and then search for control panel. So once you search for control panel, you should see it here. This is control panel. Just click on it, and once your control panel opens, you can enlarge this or just keep it as it is. Then you want to come to programs and then tap on install a program. Once you tap on install the program, just check through the program you want to uninstall. So let's say I want to uninstall this particular program from my computer. Then select the program and then tap on the uninstall button. You should see a pop-up that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer? Just click on yes. Once you tap yes from that pop-up, you see this app will be installing, or you will be prompted to complete a prompt which says, are you sure you want to completely remove Let's View and all of its components? Just click on yes. This interface differs and depends on the developers. So just click on yes, and once you click on yes, you see the app on installing. And of course, once the application has been installed successfully, you'll see a pop-up that says the app has been removed from your computer. All you need to do is just click on OK, and once you refresh your program page by clicking on this icon, you see the program will be removed from your computer and you no longer have access to it. So guys, this is how to uninstall the program from your Windows computer without any hassle. If this way is helpful, you want to hit the like button. Of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos.